Alright, got an old mid-efficient Rudd furnace, no heat called. Change the gas valve is shorting, so we'll get that replaced. Got our aftermarket one. This one is no longer made, so we'll disconnect the gas here, disconnect the piping, and throw a new valve right in there. New gas valve in place. I'll just do the wiring and the connection of the inlet gas, and we'll do some pressure testing and make sure it's reading okay. We've been running steady now. Our manometer pressure is 3.89. Requirement here on the tag is 3.5 inches water column. So I will take the gold cap off of there, and we'll dial that back a little bit. Okay, so we're still 3.9 inches water column. I got the gold cap off there, so we'll just get a screwdriver in place and dial it back a little bit. A little more. Nice blue flame. We were out here 2 months ago for a separate issue, so we've already looked at the heat exchanger, make sure this unit is safe to operate. We're all good here. Everything's tied in. We'll just do a leak check at our fittings, make sure nothing's leaking there, and we'll be on our way to the next call.